Hey, Carl Anderson here with Marine Max Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a brand new boat that we have available from Scout. It's their 195 Sport Dorado. Shark gray hull color with the white undertone. Great color combination here. One of my favorites from Scout. This boat has the trim tabs. This is a new trim tab system from Dometic. We've got the upgraded 150 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha. New style from them as well, with integrated steering. Swim step to the or swim platform to the port side with a reboarding ladder. Bimini top. Easy access into the boat and into the cockpit. You have rear jump seats here with coaming bolsters that go all the way forward. Stainless steel grab rail on both sides. Under gunnel style rod storage on both sides as well. Also great for a deck brush and a boat hook. Captain's chairs on both sides that swivel and slide forward. Got a lockable glove box on the port side with cup holders and a little recessed area with non-skid for your phone. Storage in the base of that console as well. Nice finished out fiberglass floor that's easy to keep clean. Great sun coverage with the Bimini top. You're also out of the elements on a windier day when you have the windscreen on both sides. And then you've got a nice touch point here for safety as you're making your way back and forth with the boat with the stainless steel grab rail. Here at the helm, really fun, sporty boat to drive. Steering wheel is on a tilt base. Throttle here with your trim. This is the trim tab system. Again, new product from Seastar and Dometic. So different from the Lenco traditional style trim tabs. 9-inch touchscreen from Garmin. Digital gauges from Yamaha. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Conveniently located battery select switch. Batteries are located under here as well. Rod storage on the outer side of both consoles. Great bow seating up front. Really lengthy chase lounges, especially for a 19-foot boat. Nice tall backrest on both sides. And you have storage behind both backrests. So glove box style storage. And you've got storage beneath both chase lounges as well. Both of which are drained so they can hold drinks and ice. Bow cushion up front with headrests that remove. You can also remove this entire cushion that exposes a nice casting area with non-skid, along with storage locker up in the bow, which is separate from your anchor locker. That's a walkthrough of Scout's 195 Sport Dorado. If you have any questions or interest in this boat, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.